Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to open up about something that helped me change my life for the better. The Legendary Marketer 15-Day Online Business Builder Challenge. Now, I can't dive right in without saying a few things about my personal story. I was a blue-collar laborer for 7 years, and it took me an embarrassingly long time to realize that there are much easier ways to make money and enjoy your life more. But I had been doing work like that all my life. No matter how messy, hard, and sweaty the work was, it was all I knew. So what else was I gonna do? So then I started to look for something that would let me steer the wheel while earning enough to keep me satisfied. And after looking, I stumbled upon channels where people would talk about making passive money online. But most of the time, it seemed unrealistic or sometimes just plain shady. But then I happened to stumble upon Legendary Marketer, and I did a ton of research, and I decided that it was worth the $7 to see what their 15-day challenge was all about. And what I learned for $7 totally blew me away. It completely opened my eyes to a new world that had the potential to get me completely out of my daily grind. And I ended up getting out of my life of labor in just about a year. And honestly, looking back, if I dedicated myself and put in more effort, I could have gotten out much sooner. And by the way, if at any point in this video you want to start your journey to financial freedom like I did, check out the link in the description to join the challenge for just $7 today. So let's see what the 15-day challenge is all about. David Sharp, the CEO of Legendary Marketer, came up with a 15-day challenge. It's a lot like an online school because the course provides you with training videos to prepare you for how affiliate marketing works. But I guess I'd say that it's actually far better than school because you're learning how to actually make money online. And instead of grades, the money that you earn is your grade. The challenge introduces you to concepts and techniques through which you can learn how to make passive income by working for yourself online. The challenge comes with assignments that are like homework, except by doing this homework, you'll learn how to actually make money. And on top of that, you get to talk to a real business advisor who will help you create an affiliate marketing business. Look, to start an affiliate marketing business, you don't have to go to school because they've scrapped all the useless material and offered you targeted information that usually takes people years and years to master by themselves. Now, if you're clueless about affiliate marketing, don't worry because I certainly was. So let's get on the same page. Simply put, affiliate marketing is promoting other companies' products, and anytime someone purchases that company's products through you, that company will pay you a commission. And the way you do this is by building or getting in front of an audience, and then to get the audience to buy or subscribe to whatever you're promoting. Obviously, this is a highly simplified version of how it's carried out. Now, I don't mean to minimize how hard this is. It's a long process, especially at first. You'll need to get into the mind of a potential customer of a given product and figure out what may draw them to purchase the product or service you're promoting. And then you'll have to build a system to turn your idea into action. And look, I know that it sounds complicated, and it does take time to learn. I mean, I'm still constantly learning, improving, and getting better, and I will always look for ways to improve, of course. But once you learn some basic skills and continuously implement what you learn, it's kind of hard to fail, especially when you've invested your time and money and you have a team behind you invested in you. And look, we all buy stuff, of course. So what does getting into the head of a consumer even mean? It's not a string of buzzwords that people use on the internet. I'm talking about something called a sales funnel. A sales funnel is a visual representation that illustrates how you can get visitors to go from initially meeting you or your product all the way to being completely pumped for, say, fancy hair dryer or whatever you're promoting. When they've entered the sales funnel by coming across your content generally online, you nudge them towards the bottom of the funnel or opting into your system or purchasing the product to increase your conversion rate and make you commissions. Of course, not all customers think the same way, so you'll need a strategy that works for the majority of the market in your chosen niche. Just knowing the stages of the journey isn't going to bring you the dough, so we got to dig deeper. To actually make sales, you need to introduce your customers to the product or service that you're promoting. So brand or product awareness is how you get started. Take Apple or Microsoft, for example. They basically own the PC industry. Everyone knows who they are. So chances are that when someone needs a computer, they'll rush out to buy one of their computers when they need one. And the next stage to making the sale is leveraging interest. And this is where you'll sort of need to wow the potential customers into action with your words or content. Tell them about the product or service. What is it good for? What problem can it solve? How will it make your life easier? Show them how your product is better than the rest. And when you've piqued their interest, some of your audience are going to have some kind of desire to check out the product. But you have to remember, you can't lie about the product or be disingenuous, or it'll probably just totally backfire on you, as it probably should. You have to maintain trust, and being authentic is going to help you solidify that trust and build you a genuine audience. And then comes the action part. If the potential customer likes your product, trusts you, and decides to purchase the product, you make a commission. And look, to help you out and make things easier for you, usually companies who make affiliate deals will give you a special discounted link to their website with a deal that you wouldn't be able to get by going straight to their website. And this is all to help you convert more people from leads into customers. And what you can do is offer the discount code or lead magnet to really seal a deal. Oh, and for those who don't know, a lead magnet is a free or super cheap offer that you can use to generate interest with your audience. And by the way, once you've gotten someone to take action and purchase through your efforts, leading them to another and then another and another product or service or deal is a lot easier because they've already trusted you, assuming you were honest and the product was what you said it was, of course. So the funnel model of affiliate marketing is one of the business models that you learn on your affiliate journey. And over time, you can refine and perfect your process. And the way you do that is to keep learning, invest in yourself, and never, ever, ever, ever quit. So that about does it for this video, giving you the basics behind affiliate marketing and the funnel system. And if you're ready to jump on board and learn this process and create some funnels for yourself just to make some side income or to completely switch around your life like I did, check out the link in the description for the 15-day challenge to learn these skills for just $7. And that's all I have for you today. I hope this video gave you a helpful insight into the basics of how affiliate marketing works. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to hear more about my journey and more about making passive money online through affiliate marketing. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.